Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make questions by using do. That's very simple. Okay, today we have three topics. Number one, cartoon. Number two, reading books. Number three, traveling, right? Okay, so I'll start with books. Okay, see. Hi, may I ask you some question?
Yes, you can.
See, I didn't say, hi, may I ask you some question? Not like that. Okay, you have to give force. May I ask you some question? Okay? May I ask you some question?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. See, I said thank you. Okay, do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
See, do you like to read books? I said, not like that. Do you like to read book? Not like that. Do you like to read books? Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Good. When do you like to read books?
I like to read books at night.
See, it's a beautiful answer. But you can say more sentences like that. I like to read books after finishing my homework. Sometime I like to read books in my free time. That is very nice answer, right?
Yes.
Okay. So where do you like to read books?
I like to read books at my home.
Okay, in my home. I like to read books in my home. Sometime I like to read books in my school library. Do you understand? Yes. First time do, then when, then where. See, I'll make another question. Why do you like to read books?
I like to read books because I need to learn some things.
Very good. The great answer. I like to read books because reading books is my hobby. Or you can say I love books. See, I like to read books because I love books and I love stories. Okay, I love comic books. Reading book is my hobby. See, beautiful answer. Then, okay, with whom do you like to read books?
I like to read books with my brother.
You can also say I like to read books with my mom. My mom helps me. And my mom explains me sometime the words, the story. Okay, you can say. Okay. Then, which book do you like to read most?
I like to read storybooks.
Which book? You have to say book name. Okay, I like to read Harry Potter. Okay, this is a good book. I have this book in my home, right? I also like some stories. Okay. Do you like comic books?
Yes, I like comic books
Why?
because comic books are very color.
Yeah, colorful. I like to read comic books because they're colorful. Okay. There are a lot of pictures. There are a lot of stories. I like all those stories. See? It's very easy. Just do, then double question, one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. It's easy. Then change the topic. May I change the topic?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. So let's talk about cartoon.
Okay.
Do you like to watch cartoon?
Yes, I like to watch cartoons.
See? It's beautiful, right? Okay, come on. Who will come? You come. So, I'll show you how to ask question. Can you start with cartoon, please? Go on.
Do you like to cartoon?
No, like that. See? May I ask you? Okay.
May I ask you about cartoon?
No, like that. May I ask you some question about cartoons?
May I ask you some question about cartoon? Yes, you can. Do you like to cartoon?
No, like that. Thank you. Sit down. So the question will be, do you like to watch cartoon? Do you like to watch? But not so hurry. Very simple. Do you like to watch cartoon? Okay? Do you like to watch cartoon? Not like that. Do you like to watch cartoon? Not like that. Do you like to watch cartoon? Cartoon? Okay? That'll be very nice. Okay. So, see. So, okay. Do you want to come? Come here. Come here. Let's see. I'll show you. Come on. Come Come on. Good job. Okay, go on.
May I ask you some question about cartoon? Yes, you can. Do you like to watch cartoon? Yes, I like to watch cartoon. Why do you like to watch cartoon?
Okay.
I like to watch cartoon in my home. When do you watch cartoon? I watch cartoon in my free time. Which cartoon do you like to watch most? I like to watch Doraemon.
Great. Same reaction.
Great. With whom do you like to watch cartoon? I like to watch cartoon with my family.
With my family members.
When do you like to watch cartoon? I like to watch cartoon.
You ask this question. Okay. You can say, do you like Tom and Jerry? Then you come back again and use the do. Do you like Tom and Jerry? Why do you like Tom and Jerry? Okay. You can use do again. Okay. Do you like Peppa Pig? Do you like a lot of cartoons, right? So again, do, right? Be simple. Then you can talk with your friends. You can talk. Hello, may I ask you some question? Okay. Then ask by using do. Using do. Using do. Then double this question one by one. Okay. What, when, where, why, which, with whom, right? Then finish again. Do, what, when, where. Very simple. Can you do that? Can you do that? Okay, thank you. Come on. Come on. Okay, go on.
So what topic?
Traveling.
Okay. Hi, may I ask you some question about traveling? Yes,
About traveling.
About traveling? Yes, you can. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Why do you like to travel? I like to travel because I want to see some new places. How do you like to travel? I like to travel by train. When do you like to travel? I like to travel at my free time or in
my
December.
free time. Not like that. I like to travel in December because I have no school and it is a good month for traveling. Okay, or you can say I love to travel in winter.
Okay.
Okay, I can go vacation in winter
Okay.
because winter is comfortable then.
Where do you like to travel? I like to travel in Dhaka, San Martin, etc.
Because San Martin is so beautiful.
Because San Martin is so beautiful. With whom do you like to travel? I like to travel with my family members.
Okay.
Which place do you like to travel? Most. I like to travel in beach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No more question.
No more question today. Bye.
Bye. He's good. He's good. Very good. He's good. He's the good. He's good. He can make questions very fast. I like you. Okay. Go. Thank you. So very simple. Just do. Just do. Just do. Just do. Just do. Just. Okay. Simple. Come on. Come on. Wait. Can you make question or not? Let me see.
May I ask you some question?
Questions?
Yes, you can. Do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel. Why do you like to travel? I like to travel because I like to see some new places. Where are you like to travel?
No, you miss the do, not all. Where do you like to travel? Do.
Where do you like to travel? I like to travel in Dhaka, San Martin because these places are very beautiful. When do you like to travel? I like to travel. What do you say? Wait,
Excuse me? Say.
excuse me, what do you say? When do you like to travel?
When?
I like to travel in December because we don't have any school and this month is very great for the travel.
That is so professional. That is so professional. I like it. Okay.
Which place do you like to travel? I like to travel in San Martin. Most.
So thank you. No more question. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so